Okay, so my account on my Steam Deck, it seems apparently was either deleted or it was replaced by some other account. So I'm gonna add my account back in and basically re-enable my Steam for my account. I have some work to finish on the Steam regarding analysis of uh, some GPU real-time data. Okay, so that's the Steam. I'm gonna power it on and see what it shows me the regarding the account. That should apparently it's no longer there, so it's been a while since I've used the Steam Deck. So power on. Okay, actually power on. I do remember my username, and I think I also remember my password, but I may need this two-factor authentication for it to work. So we'll see. Okay, yeah, there we go. Sign in. Hopefully all I need to do is sign in and it should have everything about my account. I also downloaded the Steam app on another phone. It's a different phone from which I'm taking this video, but that's what I downloaded. So in case I need the two-factor authentication, I think it's that one. Okay, so now I have to sign in with my account, which I remember the username and password. I'm gonna type it in. I'm typing in my and I'm gonna type in my password now. So I'll keep this ready and waiting in case I need to use it. Okay, I've selected remember me and I'm gonna sign in. Yeah, and then sure enough I get a message on my phone. It says use the Steam mobile app to confirm. It's that two-factor authentication. So I go to my phone and that's all I have to do. I have to just say approve. And let's say approve, and then it says loading on the Steam Deck. It's loading my user data. And it looks like it is logged in because that game is a game I purchased, but it's not installed on the Steam Deck. It's a game I purchased last year. Anyways, yeah, looks like I am definitely logged into my account. I can choose to install this game later, but for now I just want to make sure I'm logged into my account. Yes, I am logged in, and looks like I'm all set.